Okay, I'm going to work through some problems that are similar to the ones in your assignment for 0.3. So the first one of these is similar to problem number 12. And so we've got 9 cubed times 9 to the 5th. And so when I'm multiplying things that have the same base, I just add the exponents. So I'm going to leave the 9. Don't do anything with that. And then I had 3 plus 5, and that's going to be, so 9 to the 8th would be my answer. Okay, the next problem I'm going to do is similar to problem number 18. So I'm going to have negative 3m to the 4th and 6m squared times negative 4m to the 5th. So I'm going to multiply my numbers together, and then I'm going to add my exponents. So I have negative 3 times a positive 6 times a negative 4. And again, these are all m's, so I can just add the exponents. So that's 4 plus 2 plus 5. Well, negative 3 times a negative 4 would give me a positive 12, and 12 times 6 would be 72. And then 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 5 would be 11. This next problem is similar to number 22. And I have negative 6x squared, and I'm taking the whole thing and I'm cubing it. I'm raising it to the 3rd power. So that means I have to take the negative 6 to the 3rd power, and for my exponent, for my x term, I'm going to multiply my exponent. So 2 times 3. Again, I'm multiplying because I'm taking a power to a power. So negative 6 cubed, you can put that in your calculator, and you get negative 216. And then 2 times 3 would give you 6. Again, if you're not sure about this, think about this as, so x times x, and I'm going to do this 3 times x times x times x times x, right? Squared, 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 and I do it 3 times, so I end up with 6 x's. Okay, number 28 is a problem that's similar to that. So I've got here negative 4m squared divided by t, and I'm going to raise the whole thing to the 4th power. So again, I have to apply this 4 to everything inside. So I've got a negative 4 to the 4th power. My m, I'm going to do 2 times 4. And then my t has an understood exponent of 1, so this will be 1 times 4. So negative 4 to the 4th power, you can put that in your calculator, or you can think of this as 16 times 16. And because this exponent is even, it tells me my answer here is going to be even, or is going to be positive. So this turns out to be 256 m. 2 times 4 is going to be 8, over 1 times 4 is going to be 4.